Hey guys, how you can make your beer night lamp? Okay, Mr. Lee, please show this.
Oh yes, okay, that's
Your beer is a night lamp. Very easy. This is a cowboy tip. Nice.
this some change some tip and this brown. Press.
Also another style you see. Raki Glass turns to lamp, and this is magic. And beer. This is beer glass. No, this is lamp on our night table. And Raki beer lamp. This is very romantic night with my friends. Beautiful lamp. Hi guys, good night. How you make your Raki to the lamp? You see, very romantic light you may have by using your telephone and Raki. Then beer, by beer. Also you may have very beautiful lamp. Cheers.